Hello, and welcome to the CDO Magazine interview series. I'm Ben Blankera with Rackspace Technology, the world's leading multi-cloud services provider. Today, I have the pleasure of talking with Nali Mayotu, Chief Data and Analytics Officer at FNB South Africa. Good morning, Nali. How are you?
Good morning, Ben. I am awesome, and I hope the same for you too.
Absolutely. So every journey has its bumps. Are there any one or two road bumps that you'd be willing to share and how you overcame them?
So the one I mentioned before was trying to go big bang approach with the program, and literally deciding that after you've done the assessment for the various functional areas and business units, that now let's go on this approach. So firstly, is also understanding you also are limited in what you know and how you actually know it and what you can actually do. So initially we wanted to do this on our own, and it's only until we got the learning and development team on board that it actually started getting a bit more structured from a learning perspective, right? Because that's their daily bread, their bread and butter with regards to creating these learning modules. And also having an actual committee for learning and development in this data literacy program that we actually created. And then the other thing, as I said, was the data champions or data literacy evangelists. Without having them, I don't think we would have succeeded, because yes, we tried that. And once they went through the program and actually understood its value, they were literally able to tell the story for us, that data literacy story. And you know, storytelling is huge in data and analytics.
Absolutely.
So if you've got people that are sitting in meetings talking about the value that they've gained through the literacy program and how they're able to actually make these decisions, how they're able to self-service, because now they've got the skill, has really helped on that journey. I'm not going to lie, change is always difficult, right? For people. And I think one of the things is ensuring that you've got the right change management principles in place from the beginning, because if you don't, then people will resist, right? And for me, those are part of the lessons that generally any organization can actually learn on this data literacy journey.
That's fantastic. Oh my God, there's so much I'm writing down from here. All right, we're in home stretch now. So tell us, what's the next year look like on the journey, Nali? Where's this pointing to? What's next? So
as I said, we've been doing this journey for close to 2 years now, but we're honestly not done. I think that was the first phase. And from there, we've actually then taken the feedback and the learnings from that first phase so we could actually enhance the program. So we honestly are busy with planning of phase 2, which we're hoping to actually implement beginning of next year, so 2023. It's more about the iterative approach, as you're aware, where you're continuously learning, continuously improving. And that's something that we're also trying to do, is learning from the mistakes. Also understanding that practice component is also very important, where you're creating practice labs and practice environments for the users to be able to seriously practice what they learned. And I think more importantly is also rewarding them, right? Once they're actually doing that. The reward side of things is also, I think, very important. So yes, phase 2 is definitely what we're working on. So I will definitely keep you updated, Ben, and let you know how that goes.
I'm going to schedule an interview in a year just to see where we've gotten. Now, in retrospect, what advice would you give your younger self from 5 years ago?
Oh gosh, this is always a difficult one to answer, right? Because there's so much advice you want to give. But I think the one advice I would give my younger self is take those risks. Don't be risk adverse, because honestly, the only path to success is failure. So don't be afraid to fail. So learn fast. So fail fast, learn fast, and pivot, right? So that's the one thing I'll definitely tell my younger self, is definitely take those risks, literally take the bull by its horn and take that leap. And what if you fall, right? But then the other side of the coin is, what if you fly?
Oh, I love it. That is great. You are getting me all revved up to fly here, Nolly. Nolly, thank you so much for joining me today. Folks, please visit cdomagazine.tech for additional interviews. Thank you all.
Thank you.